Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ramla Kitchen. I Ramla would like to thank all my friends for supporting me. Today I'm going to teach you all how to do Maggi Goreng. One packet of Maggi, mixed vegetable, tofu, fish cake, sawi, chili padi and so forth. So now I'm going to teach you all how to do. Come. Now I'm going to cook this Maggi. I think many people have asked me how to do Maggi Goreng. So I'm going to teach you all. This is the prasa. Tip the prasa in here. Now the Maggi. This is one Maggi. Yeah? Don't overcook the Maggi, then you won't have the crunchy taste. Okay, now it's a bit soft. This is the Maggi that I have. Use a little bit of oil and fry the egg. Now I'm going to fry the egg, okay? Just a little bit of oil to fry the egg. You can use 1 egg, 2 egg or 3 egg. Okay? Okay. Fry the egg. Actually, it's very simple now to fry the egg. Huh? Once the egg is cooked, you can take out. Make the egg dry. First, they put egg, but I like to put the beginning. Okay. Now we add a little bit of oil. Okay. 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 Put some ginger stripe. Put a lot of ginger. Put a bit of ginger. Then chili padi in one. Fish cake. If you all want to put chicken, you all also can put chicken. Chicken or prawns or sotong or what you all can put. Okay. Then put in the vegetable. Cabbage. You all can put any vegetable, but I mainly put this vegetable. Okay. Then put a bit of carrot and sawi. You put this vegetable. Then you put this chili, little bit of this chili, okay, little bit of this oyster sauce, little bit, tomato sauce, chili sauce. Now we are doing Maggi Goreng, so we put this prasa, little bit, just for the taste. Okay, enough, little bit. Then stir. Once you stir, add the Maggi. Stir the Maggi. Stir the Maggi. Just put thick soya sauce, little bit. Okay. Then you add in a little bit of water. Okay. Okay. Then you put in the egg. Condition it up. And little bit of this fried onions. Okay. I think you all have seen me doing the Maggi Goreng. I hope you all will try and give me your feedback. And also, I would like to request you all to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.